This is Reflective Practitioner video journal number 4. I believe this is probably the last video we'll have to do for the MELA program. The topic is professional learning communities. I think it's fitting considering this entire journey in the MELA program. We have formed a PLC amongst our classmates. Even though we're not physically able to meet, there has been a significant exchange of ideas, shared knowledge. I've gleaned a lot of insights, a lot of perspective, a lot of new learning from just the forum discussions, from the group assignments we've had to do, and just from being around other professionals from all walks of life throughout California that are moving into principalship or educational leadership. So some leadership strategies that I've seen work in both person and that I am interested to try out based on the knowledge I've acquired through this program is, being a transformational leader, being a visionary leader, having a clear vision to guide not only yourself, but as a beacon for your audience, your constituents, your staff, school community to follow. Having a clearly articulated vision gives a sense of purpose. Just acts as that North Star whenever there are difficult decisions. And as a leader, there's inevitably going to be difficult decisions daily, probably. So developing a meaningful vision and having a mission to help attain that vision is going to be crucial. In order to create transformational change, you have to be acutely aware of the needs of your community and have measurable objectives to drive that growth. I think any leader is only as good as the people he leads, and that means building capacity in the people beneath you, the people depending on you. That's something that I know I'm a benefactor of, being allowed the space and opportunity to grow professionally. I want to do that for other people. Ensuring that there is an open forum for communication, that distributive leadership is used so that you can tap into the talents and the knowledge of your stakeholders, whether it be teachers, department chairs, or even students and parents and community members. I think that collaborative learning is really the hallmark of leadership, of any initiative or any mission that's worth following. You have to give people a voice. You have to give them a platform to use that voice, and that platform has to yield meaningful outcomes and change. So I know that the MELA program, the discussion board, was a brilliant idea. I mean, we were a very chatty group in the sense that there were tons of posts in that. There's no way anyone could have read them all, but if you were engaged, if you did participate, there was a lot of deep, important perspectives. There was a lot of information that I know I picked up on that I will be using throughout my educational career. There's a lot of reflection that I gained from both writing and creating threads and also reading other people's threads and, being introspective. So I completely agree with Sir Ken Robinson that collaboration is the crux of meaningful growth. I mean, you can definitely grow on your own, but that growth is always in relation to others, not comparatively, but in relation to. So I'm happy and I'm hopeful to continue to grow through the learning of others.